Hey there, big dreamers. Another episode of live racing coming at you. Sitting next to my 3 SGT here. Feeling like, man, I'd really like to see this thing make some power. But we're just not there. We're still in the fabrication phase, you know, and yeah, this guy was originally built to go right back into a car, and ended up using that car for spare parts on the other car. So I'm gonna give this selfie stick crap a whack here, something like that. All right, enough of that. What we got here? SW20. This is your 91 variety. It's got power locks, it's got power windows, it's got power adjustable mirrors. It's got just about every single thing that is gonna weigh 1,000,000 tons, all housed within inside this door. We're gonna get the door panel stripped off. That way we can get access to the wires for the door motor. And then we're gonna hot wire this door motor. Doors. Come on, baby, light my fire. Try to set the night on fire. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. So I think that got pretty much the door panel for us there. Now the way that these switches work here, and a lot of electronics in your car too, is that they'll reverse polarities. So we'll try red to negative, and all right, so that's down. At least still a little hang up here in the front. That could just be from this internally mounted bolt there. And we are free with our door glass there, and she's in perfect shape. The exception of the normal wear and tear. See, little regulator action. Say goodbye, regulator. I know I'm better to measure it up by too, but the door gap back here is really good. Dan Sam, live racing here. I think we're gonna call it for the day too. I think I started to lose my energy about halfway through this project here, don't you know? I don't know why I went all Canadian there, I do say. But yeah, it's a door on an MR2. It works, you know. That's how you do it. Can you see that? Can you see that now? Something like that, you know. Just a little patch panel MR2. You guys keep them wrenches turning. We'll be back here regularly. I'm gonna say every weekend because my life's been a fucking wreck. Might be coming back working at Subaru again. That's where shit's at right now. I don't know what's happening. I just try and keep some stuff on the plate and keep the kitties fed. Keep them kitties fed. We love them kitties. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Peace, deuces. Peace.